Hey folks, Tony from the tech firm. Today we're doing a gateway migration, voice gateway migration. So lots of fun, and I guess all the different places I get to go give me different opportunities to do things, and this place happens to be a gym, so that's kind of neat. Always a little something different. And I'll post on my site all the stuff that happens and breaks, and if it all goes smooth, then you'll hear nothing. Have a good day, folks. So the fun's already started with the migration. No documentation, as always. They can't find it anywhere, and it was done when it was installed like 10 years ago. So there goes that. So now I've got to figure out what each line is and their phone number. So it's a pretty simple exercise. I basically get myself an old analog phone, which they had, and we just plug it into line 1, call my phone, see what call display says, line 2, so on and so on and so on.